Bismillah, alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah, rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wa hlul uqdatan min lisani yafqahu qawli. Brothers and sisters, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Understand Al-Quran the easy way, course number 5, grammar with page 18, pointer B, that is grammar with lesson 18b, in which we will take third pair of ishara and ism. And ishara like hada, haulai. Let's take the definitions of sarf and nahw. Sarf is from root letters of a verb. We make different words like fa'il, maf'ul, fa'il and so on. Allim. And what is nahw? From different words you make sentences, simple sentences, or make pairs like fil ardi or baytun kabirun, and use pairs and words to make sentences, a bigger sentence or bigger sentences. Actually, nahw deals with the endings of the words that change according to the position of a word in a sentence. Allim. We have learned 4 types of sentences. There are more, but these are most common. Ismiya, with inna, with kana, fi'liya. You know them. So can you answer them with TPI? Ismiya. Allahu ghafurun. With inna. Inna Allaha ghafurun. With kana. كان الله غفورا. فعلية خلق الله الأرض. علم. And there are 4 pairs like pair with jar fil ardi, pair with sifa like baytun kabirun. These 2 pairs are already studied. We have seen them. We will take the third pair now, ذلك البيت. But let us revise the first 2 pairs. Fil ardi is simple. Any preposition will make the noun after it in jar state, like fil ardi, min Allahi, min ash-shaytani, lillahi, and so on. Sifa pair is baytun kabirun, and you know that this pair changes according to its position. Hada baytun kabirun, ra'a zaydun baytan kabirun, zaydun fi baytin kabirin. So try to remember these 3 sentences. That will really help you a lot. Can you repeat after me? Hada baytun kabirun.
هذا بيت كبير.
Ra'a zaydun baytan kabiran.
رأى زيد بيتا كبيرا.
Zaydun fi baytin kabirin.
زيد في بيت كبير.
Allim. Alhamdulillah, today we will learn the third pair, that is with ishara. You know the words of ishara like hada, haulai, this and these, right? If you point to anything while saying hada, if you say hada, then that thing will become specific. Therefore, al is added to that word. So suppose there is a bayt, any house, but you are saying this house, so that house has become specific. So it will be hadal baytu, this house. Okay, hadal baytu, this house. This pair is a pair with ishara. Hada is an ishara, right? It's a pointer word and it answers the question, which one? This house or that house? And also remember, there is no change when it comes to hada, whether it is in original state or when it is affected or after preposition. In rafa and nasb and jar, hada will stay the same. So can you repeat, at least to remember it, 2 times, changing the positions like hada, hada, hada.
هذا هذا هذا.
Again.
هذا هذا هذا.
Allim. Okay, but when you add the word like hadal baytu, al baytu will change. Al baytu, al bayta, al bayti. So hada will stay as it is, but al baytu will change. So the joint will be hadal baytu, hadal bayta, hadal bayti. Because only one word changes in this pair, we will use only one sign. And we will give a jerk to the hand when we say hadal baytu, hadal bayta, hadal bayti. Because hada is not changing. So give me the original state and nasb and jar state. Bismillah. Original state?
هذا البيت.
When it is affected?
هذا البيت.
After preposition?
هذا البيت.
Again, original state.
هذا البيت.
When it's affected.
هذا البيت.
After preposition.
هذا البيت.
علم. Let us put this pair in sentences. For example, I can say بيتي, my house, is هذا البيت, this house. My house is this house. بيتي هذا البيت. رأى زيد هذا البيت. زيد saw this house. زيد في هذا البيت. Zaid is in this house. So repeat after me, focusing on the pair only. هذا البيت هذا البيت هذا البيت. So we'll use the TPI only for the pair and not for others like زيد or whatever. بيتي هذا البيت.
بيتي هذا البيت.
رأى زيد هذا البيت.
رأى زيد هذا البيت.
زيد في هذا البيت.
زيد في هذا البيت.
Once again, بيتي هذا البيت.
بيتي هذا البيت.
رأى زيد هذا البيت.
رأى زيد هذا البيت.
زيد في هذا البيت.
زيد في هذا البيت.
علم. Alright, let's take another example. Al-Muslimu. Because if you are pointing to a Muslim, any Muslim, when you say this Muslim, that Muslim has become specific. So you have to say Hada al-Muslimu. This, the Muslim, so to say. But anyway, Hada al-Muslimu means this Muslim. So in original state will be Hada al-Muslimu, this Muslim. And when it is affected, Hada al-Muslima. And after preposition, Hada al-Muslimi. Okay. Give me the answers. Original state?
هذا المسلم.
When it's affected?
هذا المسلم.
After preposition?
هذا المسلم.
Again, original?
هذا المسلم.
Affected?
هذا المسلم.
After preposition?
هذا المسلم.
علم. Let's use this pair in sentences. جاء هذا المسلم. رأى زيد هذا المسلم. زيد saw this Muslim. سمع زيد من هذا المسلم. Zaid heard from this Muslim. Repeat after me. جاء هذا المسلم.
جاء هذا المسلم.
رأى زيد هذا المسلم.
رأى زيد هذا المسلم.
سمع زيد من هذا المسلم.
سمع زيد من هذا المسلم.
علم. Let's repeat. جاء هذا المسلم.
جاء هذا المسلم.
رأى زيد هذا المسلم.
رأى زيد هذا المسلم.
سمع زيد من هذا المسلم.
سمع زيد من هذا المسلم.
علم. Let's take plural now. You learned هذا المسلم, this Muslim. If you want to say these Muslims, the plural of هذا will be هؤلاء. Al-Muslimu will become Al-Muslimuna. So it will be هؤلاء المسلمون. When it comes to the original state, it will be هؤلاء المسلمون. But there is a point here. Just like هذا, هؤلاء also does not change in Rafa, Nasb or Jar states. It will stay the same. So repeat after me. هؤلاء هؤلاء هؤلاء.
هؤلاء.
Again. هؤلاء هؤلاء هؤلاء. So whether it is original or if it is affected or after preposition, هؤلاء will stay the same. But what about the word or the ism with it? هؤلاء المسلمون, these Muslims. You know, al-Muslimuna will change. Al-Muslimuna, al-Muslimina, al-Muslimina. So only the second word changes. So we will have only one sign. But we will say هؤلاء المسلمون, هؤلاء المسلمين, هؤلاء المسلمين. Original, affected, and after preposition. Okay, give me the original state. هؤلاء المسلمون. When it is affected, هؤلاء المسلمين. after preposition.
هؤلاء المسلمين.
Again, these two are same. Okay, al-muslimina, muslimina. Again, original state. هؤلاء المسلمون. When it's affected. هؤلاء المسلمين. After preposition. هؤلاء المسلمين. علم. Let's use this pair in sentences. جاء هؤلاء المسلمون. These Muslims came. And رأى زيد هؤلاء المسلمين. Zayd saw these Muslims. سمع زيد من هؤلاء المسلمين. Zayd heard from these Muslims. Again, we will use the TPI sign only for the pair هؤلاء المسلمون هؤلاء المسلمين هؤلاء المسلمين. Repeat after me. جاء هؤلاء المسلمون.
جاء هؤلاء المسلمون.
رأى زيد هؤلاء المسلمين.
رأى زيد هؤلاء المسلمين.
سمع زيد من هؤلاء المسلمين.
سمع زيد من هؤلاء المسلمين.
Once again. جاء هؤلاء المسلمون.
جاء هؤلاء المسلمون.
رأى زيد هؤلاء المسلمين.
رأى زيد هؤلاء المسلمين.
سمع زيد من هؤلاء المسلمين.
سمع زيد من هؤلاء المسلمين.
علم. Other words of ishara are, for example, ذلك, that, أولئك, those. Let's take some examples from the Quran. أوحينا إليك هذا القرآن. We have revealed, أوحينا, we have revealed إليك, to you. What is that? Object is هذا القرآن. هذا القرآن subject, هذا القرآن object. Because أوحينا what? هذا القرآن. This Quran. This is first. إن هذا القرآن يهدي. You see, إن الله غفور. إن الله. So this هذا القرآن is a pair. Actually it is هذا القرآن. But إن الله, the word after inna is in nasb state, and this is a pair. So inna hadha al-Qur'ana yahdi. Indeed, this Quran guides. Similarly, another example is وَلَقَدْ ضَرَبْنَا لِلنَّاسِ فِي هَذَا الْقُرْآنِ. هذا القرآن هذا القرآن هذا القرآن في هذا القرآن. So وَلَقَدْ ضَرَبْنَا لِلنَّاسِ فِي هَذَا الْقُرْآنِ مِنْ كُلِّ مَثَلٍ. So, and we have certainly presented for the people لِلنَّاسِ فِي هَذَا الْقُرْآنِ, in this Quran, from every kind of example. Alright. أوحينا هذا القرآن إن هذا القرآن في هذا القرآن. علم. Alhamdulillah. Don't forget the 7 types of homework. Learn from videos or get one-to-one class. Best thing is to be a teacher. May Allah help us to recite, understand, ponder, implement, propagate and memorize the Quran. وجزاكم khair. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك نشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت نستغفرك ونتوب إليك. والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Assalamu alaikum. Learn to read Al-Quran, learn Tajweed, understand Al-Quran and memorize it using easy, scientific and interactive methods. Get ebooks, videos, audios, posters, PowerPoint files, app links for different courses. We have specialized Montessori materials and games for making the Quran easy for kids and a teacher's resource center too. Get personalized one-to-one online courses that suit your needs from expert teachers. For free trial, write to admin@understandquran.com or visit understandquran.com. Wassalamu alaikum